Here's the bird getting fed. The baby bird, I think he's growling already. We don't know
It's been
what
3
kind
days
it
he's
is.
been with us.
He's getting fed. Special concoctions. What's in it?
Almond milk, vitamins, a little bit of dog food,
Seeds.
seeds, a lot of protein.
Large breed dog food. Ground up, I guess, right?
Yeah.
What'd you do? Smash it up?
Powder. You gotta be real careful because you see the beak is real flexible. You see it bends up. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
And you could hurt the breeding. So I never fed these kind of birds.
Then it goes in with the pigeons to rest in the pigeon coop.
Oh, she lays on top of it, but
Oh,
she won't
really?
feed it. Yeah, she won't feed it.
Put it down so I can get a picture of the whole body.
Hold on, there.
Okay.
There it goes.
There he is.
Looks like one of them blackbirds.
We
Look,
don't know what it is. Somebody
Look at the
brought
wing.
it to us.
yeah,
But
there it goes.
there he is. So far, so good.
Yeah, you're doing good. Oh,
Okay.
shit.
Go ahead
Little
and eat
skinny.
some more.